Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your HONOR Magic8 Lite. Factory resetting erases all data, so make sure that you have it backed up if you need anything. There's, by the way, a video most likely on the channel on how to back it up, so you can watch that. Now, if you'd like to do it, go to the settings and go to System and Updates at the very bottom. Now, factory resetting may be useful for many different options. For example, if you want to just get rid of all the data so you can start fresh, or if something's malfunctioning, then you can back up your data, reset your phone, and restore the data, and it may be working again. You may also do that if you're giving your phone away or if you're selling it. Now, let's go to the reset option, which is right here. Then reset phone, and now tap reset phone. Enter your lock screen password, and now it asks you if you want to back up. But I'll just reset. You can also select reset but keep eSIMs if you're still staying with the same phone, if you're still going to use it and you don't really want to re-add eSIMs. As you can see, I'll need to wait a little moment for it to erase, and after that it'll be done, so I'll just get back to you when it's done. It'll reset the phone probably like twice. And it's done. Now it welcomes me in the setup screen, and that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.